Y'all doing all right?
Doing good.
Good.
See ya.
See you on YouTube.
Am I released then? Oh, good.
Airplane's an RV-7. It took me 12 years to build. First flew in September of 21. I almost learned to fly in it. I had my license just before that. And then got my tail wheel endorsement, and then I got right in that airplane. So I went from 150 to a decathlon to my RV-7. It got painted over the holidays this last year. It's got a IO 360 for the engine, constant speed prop, and all dynon panel.
Forever in this thing. There's no wings anywhere. You're out in the pointy end, and there's nothing up, down, around, lower. You're out in front. Ain't nothing.